Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on hard blocker in Samsung internet. So if you want to block all ads while browsing the internet on your Samsung internet browser, then here's a video for you. So if another of these you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable or turn on hard blocker in Samsung internet, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung internet browser. Once you open the Samsung internet browser, locate and click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Then you should say hard blockers, then go ahead and click on that. Then once you tap hard blocker, then you should say hard blocker lets you browse the web without being bombarded by ads. So locate and click on hard blocker for internet. Then you should say allow Samsung internet to send notifications, don't allow. Then you should say start downloading without notification progress. Then you should say loading. Then hang on for the hard blockers to download and install on your Samsung internet browser. Now, after the hard blocker has been downloaded and installed on your Samsung internet browser, then go ahead and turn it on. So if it is disabled, just go ahead and turn it on. Then if you hit the back button, then it should say that you are not protected with hard blockers. That's why you see you are protected from ads. Then all you need to do now is go ahead and visit any website and no ads will pop on the Samsung internet browser. So that is basically how to turn on hard blocker in Samsung internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.